Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can link your posts on TikTok to like a mini game, but the mini game is like provided by TikTok, so this is how you can do it. Press the plus button and record or take a picture of anything you want. Select next, and then you're going to select add link here and select mini game and select the mini game you want to add. I'm just going to add in the Love Tester one, so I'm just going to select that, and it's going to link people to that mini game once you posted it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!